Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to automatically achieve the app that you don't use regularly on your phone. So for this guys, you can try this easy and simple method. First you need to open the Google Play Store on your phone like this, okay, and in the top right side corner just tap on your profile picture like this. From here you need to open the settings. In the settings, go to journal option, and here you can get the option automatically achieve app that you use really will be achieved. So with this help of option guys, you can also able to save some storage space on your phone. So just enable this option. So in case this option is not showing on your phone at that time guys, what you need to do, you need to update the Google Play Store. So in the Play Store, scroll down, here you can get the option about, just tap on it like this, and here you can get the option update Play Store. Just tap on it, okay, so it will update the app. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.